Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 3M phone mount adhesive is probably one of the most essential accessories for any driver who relies on their smartphone for navigation, music, or hands-free calls, ensuring your device stays securely in place without damaging your car's interior, making it a crucial tool for a safer and more convenient driving experience. Number 5. Volport Sticky Adhesive Replacement Kit. Is your car phone mount losing its grip? This replacement adhesive kit is designed to bring back that strong hold. It's perfect for magnetic holders, collapsible grips, and more. Don't let the heat affect your phone's security. Our extra strong, double-sided adhesive pads are built to withstand hot climates, ensuring your mount stays put. Getting a secure attachment is simple. Just clean the surface, peel off the old adhesive, and apply the new one. Press firmly for a long-lasting, reliable hold. This kit offers a versatile solution for various accessories. Use the smaller patches for magnetic mounts and the larger ones for socket grips, extending their lifespan. You'll receive multiple adhesive patches and cleaning pads to ensure a perfect application. It's the simple, strongest alternative to keep your devices securely mounted. Why buy a whole new mount when you can simply replace the adhesive? This kit is designed to give your existing phone holders and stands a new lease on life. What we like. This pack offers great versatility with different sizes of adhesive pads for various mounts. If you need a comprehensive solution for multiple types of phone holders or accessories, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who frequently switch between magnetic mounts and socket grips. What people say. The adhesive is very strong and holds the phone securely. Easy to apply and reposition if needed. Works well on various surfaces, including textured dashboards. Number 4. APPS 2 Car 3 Dashboard Mounting Disc. Tired of your phone mount slipping? This adhesive disc provides a stable base for your suction cup phone holder, ensuring it stays put. Designed specifically for your car's dashboard, this pad offers a smooth surface for your phone mount or GPS. It's not meant for windshields, only for a secure dashboard placement. Get 3 of these essential pads in one pack. They are compatible with most suction cup phone holders and are perfect for multiple cars or future needs. Ensure your dashboard is flat, smooth, clean, and dry before applying. This pad is designed for optimal performance on suitable surfaces, providing a reliable hold. Experience superior bonding with original 3M VHB tape. It offers exceptional strength, even in hot conditions, making it a dependable choice for your device. Installation is a breeze. Just clean the surface, peel the backing, and press firmly. Allow 24 hours for the strongest bond, and you're ready to go. What we like. This product is specifically designed to create a smooth surface for suction cup phone holders on your car's dashboard. If you have a suction cup mount and a flat, smooth dashboard, this pad will provide a reliable base. It's perfect for ensuring your GPS or phone stays put without relying on the suction cup alone. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds the phone securely. It is easy to install and adjust. The mount is compact and does not obstruct the view. Number 3. Randconcept 95mm Adhesive Dashboard Pad Mounting Disc. This mounting disc is designed to fit any suction cup phone mount or GPS device up to 95mm in diameter. It's the perfect flexible replacement for your car mount sticky pad. Featuring a smooth PVC top plate and a strong 3M VHB adhesive base, it creates a flat surface for your suction cup while adhering securely to textured dashboards. Our enhanced PE foam adhesive ensures a reliable hold in any weather condition, unlike other products with less durable white adhesives. Once attached, your smartphone, GPS, or camera will stay securely in place on your dashboard. Enjoy a safe and uninterrupted drive without worrying about dropped devices. At Randconcept, we are committed to providing the finest quality. We use premium materials and advanced adhesives to ensure you receive a product you'll love. What we like. This large diameter mounting disc is designed to work on both smooth and textured dashboards, thanks to its flexible PVC plate and enhanced 3M PE foam adhesive. If you have a dashboard with a bit of texture or are looking for a wider mounting area for your suction cup mount or GPS, this is an excellent option for a secure fit. What people say. The adhesive is incredibly strong and holds the phone securely even on bumpy roads. Easy to apply and reposition if needed, without leaving any residue. The mount itself is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with the car's interior. Number 2. APPS 2 Car 3M VHB Adhesive Pads Replacement Tape. Experience unmatched adhesion with our premium replacement pads. They are engineered with original 3M VHB technology for a bond that lasts, even in extreme temperatures. These versatile pads are perfect for various flat, hard surfaces. Use them at home, in the office, or in your car for a secure attachment. Designed for stability, even on bumpy roads, these strong adhesive tapes ensure your devices stay put. They are the ideal replacement for your car phone mount. Enjoy peace of mind with their high and low temperature resistance, plus waterproof capabilities. They offer a strong, residue-free bond when removed. For optimal adhesion, ensure the surface is clean and dry before application. Allow approximately 24 hours for the adhesive to fully set before use. Avoid applying these pads on soft, uneven, or greasy surfaces. Remember, each pad is designed for a single use to ensure maximum effectiveness. We stand by our product with responsive and reliable customer support. Enjoy a worry-free purchase knowing we're here to help. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds the phone securely. It's easy to attach and remove without leaving residue. The mount is adjustable and allows for different viewing angles. Number 1. Syncwire fits MagSafe car mount. Experience unparalleled flexibility with 360-degree rotation and a 3-axis adjustable arm. Position your device exactly where you need it, whether in your car or on your desk. Mounting and unmounting your phone is a breeze with our MagSafe technology. Enjoy one-handed operation in just 1 second, making it simpler than ever. Crafted from high-hardness zinc alloy, this mount is built to last. Its durable, deformation-resistant design offers a sophisticated metallic texture. Our mount features tightly fastened metal damping axles, tested for durability. It prevents shaking and displacement, ensuring your device stays put while you drive. Utilizing powerful N55 neodymium magnets, it provides precise adjustable magnetic force. The unique ring vent design directs cool air to help dissipate heat from your device. It's also compatible with MagSafe pop grips for added convenience. With authentic 3M adhesive, this mount offers exceptional stability in extreme temperatures. It includes spare adhesive pads for long-lasting performance. What we like. This is a premium, all-metal MagSafe compatible phone mount with exceptional flexibility. If you own an iPhone with MagSafe and desire a robust, highly adjustable mount that offers effortless one-handed operation and a sleek metallic finish, this is the ultimate choice for your car dashboard or even your desk. What people say. The adhesive is strong and holds the phone securely. Easy to apply and reposition if needed. Works well on various surfaces, including textured dashboards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.